Monday MAST Family.
I'm Solomon.
And I'm Jada. And we are your student news anchors on MAST on Monday mornings.
This week, our guest anchor is Mrs. Brown.
Formerly known as Miss Middleton. No, she is not my mother.
Or am I?
Congratulations to the winners Jada and Jay, Malik, and Arjit for winning MAST Monday morning meeting prizes.
Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign to the bit.ly/MAST Monday morning meetings link.
Remember, all prize winners from school-wide meetings will be picked right after announcements. All prize winners must pick up their prize by the end of the day, or you will forfeit your winnings.
Birthday shout-outs!
Remember to use the link for birthday shout-outs so we can celebrate you. bit.ly/bday shoutouts. So, happy birthday to Faria on May 19th, Eli G on May 22nd, and Brianna B on May 25th, and Tonashay M on May 25th.
Stay tuned for a special announcement from Terry regarding this week's campus-wide annual Hoop It Up tournament. Boom.
Alright, you know, it's your boy Terry, the spy, you know what I'm saying? Get ready for Hoop It Up, you know what I'm saying?
Behind the
back. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you something, it's pretty be lit, you know what I'm saying?
Spin,
You know what I am? I'm a bullet.
Tween behind the back.
Oh, that's just... God,
Brick.
yeah. Show that. Oh, but you already know what it is, Yo, listen. I'm about to give you a show, I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do at the thing, ready?
Bleep. Bad drip.
Jump though, okay, ready? Ready?
You didn't touch red.
I ain't gonna lie, I was dope, gangster, hold up. I'm gonna see Hoop It Up really real soon. Listen, May 16th for me, Mavs versus Hearts. His knees
Right now, you
ashy.
see the jersey? No, competition over. MAST taking it home this year.
Bad drip.
These things, health, amenities, take it all. Yo, y'all going home this year. We
MAST
take it
in
all.
5.
Real with the shot, gangster. Deuce.
Congratulations to all of the seniors who celebrated on Decision Day.
Thank you to the students and Latinos Unidos for making a great impression on Dr. B, our principal for a day last week.
To the volunteers, Ronald, AJ, Chisholm, Robert, Zanaya, Israel, Ennis, Devontae, this guy Solomon, and this girl Jada.
And also a big shout out to the MAST Performing Arts Department and Ms. Stokes who supported our PSMS 147 visit. PSMS 147 had a great time and can't wait to visit us again next year.
On Friday, May 20th, MAST wishes the scholars in the Young Debaters Club the best of luck for their debate tournament at St. John's University. All participants, please make sure you're on time for prep sessions every Thursday at 8:30 a.m. with Mr. Celestin.
NHS induction ceremony will be held on Tuesday, May 30th at 6 p.m. Please be on the lookout for invitations during your third period class this week. Cue the serious music. We also have a few events coming up, so please save the date. I'm talking to you seniors. Senior Social, June 2nd. Senior Prom, June 7th. And guess what? Your senior prom dues, final payment, they're due tomorrow, Tuesday, May 16th. Make sure you see me in room 219, Miss Whitehole's room, to make your payment. Cash or money order only. And then last reminder, graduation ceremony on June 23rd at 4:30 at St. John's University.
MAST Field Day, which is sponsored by the NHS, will take place Friday, June 9th. MAST House battles will commence. Who will take the trophy this year? Love, equity, perseverance, or legacy?
The final AP exam will take place this Thursday, May 18th for AP Bio room 204. Don't be late and don't miss it.
ENL ELA Regents Prep is every Friday at 2 p.m. sharp with Miss Marston for all registered students in room 207.
AHA Broadway's final rehearsal dates are on Wednesday, April 17th and April 24th at 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Special invitations will be issued to student guests to view their culminating performances on Thursday, May 25th.
Come out to MAST and join us for the Parent Paint and Sip on Wednesday, May 17th, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in room 206. Water safety is on Monday, May 15th, in which some of our MAST lifeguards and junior lifeguards will present precautionary measures when it comes to water safety. This training program meets on Wednesdays and Thursdays from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
This is the administration of our first Regents examination, which is U.S. history. All students scheduled for the Regents must report to MAST on that day. All other students will not report to school. The NHS Community Service AIDS Walk is on May 21st, 2023 from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Students will perform community service and help set up the AIDS Walk venue. See Mr. Mazzoli, the NHS advisor, for more information and/or the permission slip form.
Culinary Club will collaborate with PTA to host the Cuisine Gala event on May 19, 2023 in room 203 at 2 p.m. $10 for each plate. You can be the next guest anchor in MAST Monday morning meeting announcements. If you are interested in volunteering to be the next guest anchor, sign up using the link bit.ly/guest anchors. On Friday, June 2nd, 2023, the Latinos Unidos Club is going on an excursion to Sabro Latino restaurant. Students must dress semi-formal in attire, as well as a minimum of $35 for lunch. All students who are interested in signing up for the Teen Entrepreneurship Program must attend all 8 training sessions in order to qualify for the stipend. To invest in your own business, see PTY for more info. Remember to check our Instagram page for all PSAL games.
Unfortunately, for unforeseen circumstances, our student versus staff game has been postponed once again. The new date is forthcoming.
Do you need help with geometry? Geo tutoring is every Tuesday with Miss Ishra in room 214 at 3:15 p.m.
Regents Prep for Chemistry resumes on Saturdays with Miss Algerine from now until the Regents. Basketball Club meets every weekday, Monday through Friday from 7:40 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G.
Thank you for watching our MAST Weekly News. See you next week!
Shout out so we can celebrate you. Fitly. Oh, that's not it.
Folks,
And I'm Mr. Reed.
and we're here to what?